I'm Ruth Coleman. And when I worked with Mark, I was CEO, founder and CEO of a company called Health Design Plus. And we worked with a major medical center. We offered centers of excellence programs to major employers and had a lot of patients every year. So lots of medical centers would hire us to help them understand what employers were looking for in these relationships. Mark's process appeared on the surface to be simple, but it really wasn't. And it was very much tailored to the situation and the need of the client. And the results were probably the best that we've seen anywhere. And I've been doing this for a long time. The best that we've seen anywhere working with another consultant. And what was totally amazing, we had never seen this before. In less than a year and a half, they turned it around when we had told them they were 5 years away. And in less than a year and a half, we had never seen anybody turn around their performance that quickly and that completely before. And I just attribute that to the work that Mark did with their team. The turnaround was palpable. I can remember running into some of the nursing managers in the hallway, and they were just ecstatic about how much their environment had changed, their turnover reduced dramatically, and their ability to work with patients and feel comfortable with that changed dramatically. And then we interviewed patients, and the difference between, we always interview patients, but the difference between interviewing the patients or in the first engagement and then the reevaluation was night and day. The patients were adamant that it was the best care they ever received, the most caring team they've ever worked with. And I just don't see how they could have done that without Mark. Working with Mark has been amazing. To have the opportunity to sit back and watch another consultant work and work absolute magic with the team. And then to see the results over time in as fast a time as I have ever seen turnaround. And I've been doing this for a very long time and actually was a turnaround specialist in my career. I don't think I've ever seen an organization turn around this fast and this effectively.